Carancho Vision and Mission. Vision. To be a respected and united organization of motorcycle enthusiasts that exemplifies unity, humility, solidarity, camaraderie, and brotherhood. Carancho envisions a community of riders driven by voluntarism and mutual respect, fostering safer roads and stronger communities. Ang ating bisyon ay magbigay ng inspirasyon sa pamamagitan ng sama-sama at kusang paglilingkod na may paggalang sa isa't isa at pagmamalasakit sa komunidad. Mission. To cultivate a culture of voluntarism and respect for one another, guided by the 5 pillars. 1. Unity. To bring riders together as one family working toward shared goals. Sa pagkakaisa, walang hamon ang hindi kayang lampasan. 2. Humility. To remain grounded and open to growth, showing respect to all. Ang pagpapakumbaba ay ang tunay na lakas ng isang leader. 3. Solidarity. To stand by each other in times of need, fostering strength through unity. Sa bawat laban, sama-sama ang Carancho. Hindi ka nag-iisa. 4. Camaraderie. To build deep and meaningful friendships among members. Ang tunay na pagkakaibigan ay hindi nasusukat sa oras, kundi sa lalim ng samahan. 5. Brotherhood. To treat every member as family, bound by trust and loyalty. Sa Carancho, hindi lang tayo samahan. Tayo ay magkakapatid.
Shoutout, Kapugaw, Carancho!